Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add blinds animation in CapCut for PC like this. So just simple, you can click the clip that you want to add the animation and select animation here and select combo. You can swipe up for getting the animation and here's just click and do as before and others clip and you can click the play button here. So you can adjust for duration like this. So swipe to the left for faster and swipe to the right for slower. Okay, that's how to add blinds animation in CapCut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.